Act cute. Okay, there we go. It's whenever I film. I swear it is.
I got Corona. Says she don't got him, and Shorty said she alone. I would've gave him all her, but I ain't a donor. When I seen her the first time, I said I want her. You a bad chick, and she staying Fashion Nova.
What's up, y'all? It's Naya back with another fire video. I don't know. I feel like that's gonna be my new intro. If you're new to the channel, what's poppin'? I'm Naya. If you're a returning subscriber, how y'all been? Sorry if you can hear noise in the background. That's my AC. Ghetto, right? Mad ghetto. Today, I'm looking rough right now. It is currently like 11 at night and I have class tomorrow, but I said why not film this video. So today I'm gonna be doing like an easy, quick, cheap tutorial for doing eyebrows. And yeah, we just gonna get started. Enough talking. So I'm gonna just give you a rundown of the products I'm gonna be using. Basically you'll need like a eyebrow pencil or a lip Listen, I don't know anything about makeup. I don't wear makeup. Y'all just want to bear with me. First of all, this hair's getting in my way. Put the hair up and then we're gonna start. Ooh, don't look at the bags. Your girl is stressed in college. Like, I faked in my edges, but don't watch that. So what I'm gonna do is use this,
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
It's an eyebrow comb and brush by Nick Ack. Okay, got this probably like 5 years ago. I'm lying, 3 years ago. Okay, so that's the comb, that's a brush. So these are my natural eyebrows. I just got them waxed like maybe 2-3 weeks ago. So I'm gonna just brush them up.
And just give them my, cause I already have like an arched shape, I guess. So I'm just gonna follow that shape and I'm gonna do it on this side too.
Now I'm just gonna go into filling in my brows. I use a little bit of eyeliner that's in dark brown by NK. Yeah, use that. But I got this for Christmas. It's some type of brow bar thing. You can find this in Ulta. So basically it comes with the different colors. So the color I use is the dark brown one, obviously. I don't really use black because you don't want your eyebrows black, okay? Trust me. So what I use to put it on is just like an angled brush. Like I use the one that comes in the pack, the dark brown thing. I'm gonna dip it in there. So I'm just going to basically fill in. I don't do no shape or nothing, bro. I just literally fill it in. I feel like I'm gonna mess up since I'm on camera, but I'll try. Sorry if y'all can't see, bro. I'm really trying. Bear with me. So then I go in with my eyeliner anyways because I was so used to using this when I began. It's dark brown like I said, and then I just go in a little bit. I have so much homework to do, like heavy on the stress, heavy on the freshman 15. So next what I'm gonna do is take my spoolie and I'm just going to smooth it out right here so it's not like a block, like it fades, and I'm just going to basically smooth out or even out all the product. So I'll go in with more product if I want to, which I am, because why not? And like I said, I haven't got my eyebrows done in like 2-3 weeks, so you can see the hairs is growing back. It's cool. I don't care. I really don't. Who's really seeing me? So now what I'm gonna do is take concealer. We gotta conceal it to make it more crisp. It's called RK by Kiss. This is concealer. I finally found a concealer that like matches me better than the rest. The color is chestnut, if y'all wanted to know. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my what do you call that? Your palm?
Bitch! The door!
I'm going to take my angled brush. Just an angled brush, 90 degrees. This is by e.l.f. It was very cheap. And I'm gonna put it on the thing.
Huh?
Basically, it's gonna take the angled brush with the concealer on it and outline the shape of my brows. Now what I'm gonna do, since I put a little bit of concealer, I don't put a lot of concealer at all because I don't wear any other makeup, so I just put a little bit. Now what I'm gonna do is just blend it in. Oh, I know what I forgot. Hold on. It's looking crazy right now, but we're gonna get it together. Do not worry. And to fill in some spots that I may have missed, I'll just go back in and like fill that in. It's a work in progress for me. Chill out. I still don't know how to do my brows. The top, make it drop. That's some wet.
And I, oh.
From the top, make it drop. My eyebrows are just never symmetrical for some reason. I can't even tell you why. Now we're gonna take a beauty blender. I forgot to tell y'all that. Mine is beat up, so let's not even worry about that. And just blend where you put the concealer at. From the top, you drop. That's some wet. I might not even post this because my eyebrows are looking mad weird. This is eyebrow gel by Anastasia, just clear brow gel. And I'm gonna go in and put it on it, and it just helps it stay in place. Clean on the inside, clean on the out, clean on the...
Shut up, bitch!
For some reason, because I'm filming, it want to look like this. But here is, ooh, just got a notification for my quiz. And these how the brows is looking. Let's see. Okay, well, nobody's staring all in your brows like this, but so this how it's looking. And yeah, this is the brow tutorial. Listen. I'm not professional. I don't do this on the regular, bro. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if y'all have any like critiques for me, I'm all ears. You could DM me, cause I'm still learning after like a year or two. I don't even do my brows anymore. That's why it's kind of like hard or whatever. But if you guys like how they turned out, make sure to like, comment, and also subscribe to see new videos almost every week. But yeah, enough said. I'm gonna see you on my next video. I'm out.